The making of the Panama Canal began in 1880 when the French attempted to build a canal running through the Isthmus of Panama. The instructor of this was Mr. Alexander Maspasi. At the time, Colombia owned Panama. Many of the workers died of diseases. Most of the times it was of malaria or yellow fever spread by mosquitoes. In 1893, after a lot of hard work and effort, the French gave up. The estimation of deaths was over 22,000. In 1904, the U.S. started work on the Panama Canal. The U.S. spent over $40 million on equipment and excavations. The canal consists of artificial lakes and 3 sets of locks. These series of locks would raise or lower the water that the ship was in to allow it to go through, much like an elevator. The completion of the Panama Canal, when it was open, in 1914. The number of deaths was 5,609 workers, which is less than early efforts, but still a death. After 10 years, it was finally finished. The Panama Canal was once owned by the U.S., and the area that was owned it was called the Canal Zone. The Panama Canal Zone was a 10-mile area of land that was owned by the U.S. from 1903 to 1979. From 1979 to 1999, the canal itself was under joint between U.S. Panamanian control. Now it is fully controlled by the Panamanian government. Now there are plans for new sets of locks to be put in. These will be bigger and safer for ships to pass through. The Panama Canal is one of man's greatest achievements ever.